Have you ever tried adding video on your Shopify product page? In this video, I will cover all the steps, all the things that you need to get started. To add the product videos on your Shopify product page. This video to see how these big brands have added videos on this product page. This is quite interesting, and this is quite useful for their customers. They simply go to the product pages and see this engaging and make a purchase instantly. So watch this video till last step. I will also share a custom code to this a custom section that I have built it personally. You are able to integrate it on your theme or any theme. Okay, so in this video, I will guide you the 4 methods on how to add video to your Shopify product. So the first method is admin media upload. This method is quite easy and most of the users use this method. So first thing first, head over to your Shopify admin. Then you have to move to the content section and this file section. Click on this file section, and here you should have to upload this media file over here. Click on this upload file, and then you have to upload the MP4 file here. Okay, so once uploaded it, you have to go back to the product section, and then you have to open any specific product. Simply click on the product to get it. I have clicked on this and the product has been opened here, and you have to scroll down, and here you will have an option to add the media or upload the media over here. Simply click on it, and then you will have an option to add the media over here. If you have not uploaded it on the content section, simply add the media over here. Simply select any video and just upload it. For the demonstration purpose, I have already added my video over here. So I am selecting it, and let me hit the done button. Okay, so now hit the save, or you have to move this video over here if you want to play the video just like this one on your main section, main part. Okay, so go back to the product page and hit the save buttons. Once saved, you have to scroll up and hit this preview button. Okay, so video is added on the product page. This is just for the demonstration purpose. You can add your video, your product video according to your requirement. So let's move to the second step or the second method, how you are able to add video on the description section. If I go to my product page, this is my description section. And if you want to place the video somewhere over here or in between the description, then we have to go to the product page again. And from here, uh, just hit the enter. And there you are able to add the video from this button. Click on it, and once clicked on it, it is asking for an iframe code or the embed code. You can take it from the YouTube video. So for the demonstration purpose, let me go to the channel, and for an example, hit this. Let Yes. Okay, so here you will have an option for share. Click on it, and then you will have an option for embed. Click on it, and then there is an option to copy this code. Simply copy it, and we have to go back to the Shopify product page, and we have to paste the code over here, and then we have to click on this insert video button. Okay, so the video has been added over here at the last of the description. Let me hit this save button. Okay, product gets saved. Click on this preview button again. Scroll down, scroll down. Here it is the video at the last of the product description. Okay, so now let's move to method number 3, which is a video section. Most of the themes provide this section by default. So what we have to do is we have to go to the Shopify admin. Then we have to click on this online store button. We have to click on this edit button. And then we have to go to the products page. Okay, so this is the product page. What we have to do is we have to click on this add section button, and from here we have to select this video section. Simply click on it, and the video section has been added just below the product featured image section, the description section, and it will be added below it, and we are able to move it up and down, and wherever you need it, just add it. And within this video section, we have all different options. It depends upon your themes or its settings. Here, I am using the Dawn theme, so this is showing like a Dawn theme setting. So here we are able to add the Shopify hosted video, and here we are able to add a YouTube video link. So it's pretty easy. You can easily manage or add it, just like simply select on this select and add the video over here. Or if you don't have a video uploaded it, simply click on the add file and add your product video over here. And if you have a YouTube link, simply go to the YouTube and click on this button, click on this share button, and simply you have to copy this link. Once copied, go back to this settings, paste the URL link over here and hit the save. Once saved, the product video has been added over here. Okay, so and there is also an option to add the cover image. So simply select this and add any cover image over here. This way, the product video will have the beautiful cover image, just like this one. I have just added it just for the demonstration purpose. Now the last method, which is very useful and which will make your product page more creditable. I have personally coded this section. You can add it within your theme. So just follow me. So this is the fourth method, method number 4, custom section code. To do it, you have to go back to your admin page. Okay, so let me go back over here and make sure you have duplicated your theme, because editing the code might make problems if you are not good. But if you follow me, there would be no problem. Just follow me step by step and don't skip any step. Click on this button, and then we have to click on this edit code. Once it get opened, okay, so it's get opened, we have to go to this section part, and we have to right click on it, and then we have to add this new file. And we can write it like custom video dot liquid. You can add any name, but just write dot liquid extension to it and hit the enter. After clicking on it, it will the file has been added. What you have to do is you have to go to this document. I will leave its link within the description, and then we have to go over here and then simply paste it and then hit the save button. Okay, so once get saved, we have to go back to the Shopify admin. Just reloaded it. Once it get reload, click on this edit theme button, and then we have to move towards the product page. Okay, so once product page get reload, scroll down, and this is the default section, video section that we have added. Just delete it for now, and we will add a new custom section over here. Simply search product video. So this is the section that we have added using a code. Okay, so the product video section has been added, and at the right side, we are able to add the video URL for the YouTube, Vimeo, and Shopify hosted video. So to add the link for the Shopify hosted video, simply we have to go to this content and this file section, and from here you are able to get the copy the link from here. Simply click on this button to copy the link. Once copied, we have to go back over here and paste the link here. Once added, the link is added, the video will get added over here. And here we are also able to add the cover image. And for the mobile section, the mobile part, and like most of the videos won't look good on this mobile, and usually customer needs to add a vertically dimensioned video, like a large video rather than this horizontal video. So it has an option for to add a mobile video URL separately. From here, we are able to set the landscape or the settings for the mobile image dimension. And if we scroll down, there are an option for the autoplay button, the loop video, and all the settings like the heading, the alignment of this heading, and the heading size. And all this is quite easy to manage. If you are looking to get any help, you are welcome. Just leave a comment below and I will guide. Okay, so all four methods to add video to the Shopify product page have been explained. So these are all four methods. This was the quick video, and hopefully it really helped you. But if you are looking to get more advanced product videos, just like this product page, once I click on this watch video button, it pop-ups a video, and explainer product video explainer has been started playing. And if I scroll down, and there is an option for product media carousel. Okay, so all these have an option for video playing. This is I will explain in any other tutorial, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.